Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Marval Rivals Unable to launch with RHI DirectX 11 feet since the project is not configured to support it. Before we begin, you need to know that this game is currently not available for integrated graphics. So, if you do not have a discrete graphics card or your discrete graphics card doesn't meet the system requirements set by the publisher, you cannot play this game. Now, you need to know that the main cause of this problem is outdated or corrupted operating system version in graphics driver. So, we need to update the Windows OS and graphics driver. To update Windows, go to Settings. Select Windows Update. Select Check for Updates. To update graphics driver, please visit the NVIDIA or AMD homepage, depending on the type of graphics card you are using. Here I'm using NVIDIA graphics card, so I will visit NVIDIA homepage, then download and install NVIDIA app. After that, open NVIDIA app, then go to Drivers sections. Over here, between Game Ready Driver and Studio Driver, I recommend you choose Game Ready Driver. Select Ready Driver, then select Download. When download is complete, then select Install. Over here, I recommend you choose Custom Installation. Over here, I just want to install graphics driver, so I will uncheck the other two components. Next, I recommend you choose Clean Installation. Now, select Continue and follow the instructions on the screen. Once done, restart your PC. After that, you need verify integrity of game files. For Steam users, open Steam Library. Right-click on Marval Rivals, then pick Properties. Select Installed Files. Select Verify integrity of game files. For Epic Games Launcher users, open Epic Games Launcher Library. Right-click on Marval Rivals, then pick Manage. Select Verify. Wait for some time until the process is completed and then relaunch the game. Now, if the problem still occurs, then check if display cable is plugged in properly. If you are plugging the display cable into the motherboard, turn off your computer, unplug the display cable from the motherboard, and then plug it back into one of the ports on the discrete graphics card. Turn on PC, then launch Marval Rivals and see problem is fixed or not. In case you are using a laptop, please set height performance graphics for Marval Rivals. To do so, right-click on the desktop background, then pick Display Settings. Scroll down, then click on Graphics. Now, scroll down and find Marval Rivals application. If you don't see Marval Rivals application, then click on Add Desktop App. After that, navigate to the installation path of your game. Over here, open Marval Game folder. Open Marval folder. Open Binaries folder. Open Win64 folder. Over here, select Marval Win64 Shipping, then click on Add. Now, click on Marval Win64 Shipping, then select Height Performance. Try relaunch the game and see if problem is resolved. Please check in running the game without the DX11 or DX12 or D3D12 command line argument. Please disable integrated graphics if the problems still occur. Just right-click on Start button, then select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your integrated graphics and select Disable Device. Restart your PC, then relaunch the game and see if problem is resolved. Finally, reinstall graphics driver. Clean install is the last resort you can do. You need completely uninstall graphics card drivers and packages from your system, without leaving leftovers behind, including registry keys, folders and files, driver store. To do that, I recommend using DDU software. After uninstall graphics driver is done, please visit the NVIDIA or AMD homepage, depending on the type of graphics card you are using, and download your graphics driver. That's everything you can try fixing Marval Rivals Unable to launch with RHI DirectX 11 feed issues. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.